Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's proceed with this first drawing. Here I have used numbers for drawing objects. I have used number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And here I have drawn with the number 1, I have drawn a candy. With 2 I have drawn duck. With 3 I have drawn a flower like this. See how simple it is, and it's so easy. What is 7 plus 2? Can you tell me? I'm going to draw a mouse using number, and this is looking more beautiful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a teddy bear using shapes and numbers like this. It is so easy. Now let's draw this bird in easy way. Wow, so beautiful. Amazing. And this is looking more beautiful. Now let's make a boy's face like this using numbers and shapes, and it's so easy, and this is looking more beautiful.